Welcome back to your color system. My name is Telva, episode 11. One to go after this, and it is a good one. Today is Colorway Strategy, which is the part of your color system that directly multiplies your commercial output. Here is the simple version of why this matters. A buyer who loves your print but needs it in a colorway that fits their current collection can only say yes if you have that colorway. A buyer who loves your print and can see 4 colorway options in front of them is much more likely to license it because it fits immediately without requiring additional development work on their end. Colorways are not afterthoughts. They are a strategic part of your practice. Don't forget to get your free download below. A colorway is a version of a print in a different set of colors. In the diagram, each square represents one version of the print. The background is the ground color, and the diamond stands in for the motif color. Together they carry the ground to motif relationship, not a palette swatch set. The design, the motif, the structure, the repeat is identical. Only the color assignment changes in your new colorways. A strong colorway is not just a color swap. It is a new version of the print that maintains the visual hierarchy, the contrast relationships, and the tonal balance of the original. If the original has a warm mid-tone motif on a light ground, the colorway should maintain some version of that relationship, perhaps a cool mid-tone motif on a light ground or a warm light motif on a dark ground, not just a random reassignment of color slots. From a commercial perspective, a print offered in a well-considered range of colorways is a more versatile product. A print with a light ground colorway, a mid-tone ground colorway, and a dark ground colorway covers 3 distinct product markets and 3 distinct seasonal applications from a single design. For the designer, this means one strong design with 3 colorways represents more commercial territory than 3 separate designs without colorway development. The return on the original design investment is much higher. Buyers also use colorways to manage risk. A buyer who wants your design but needs it in a specific colorway for their product line can commission the colorway rather than a new design, which is faster and cheaper for both parties. The first type is the tonal colorway. This stays within the same temperature family as the original, but shifts the specific colors, perhaps a cooler version of the same warm palette, or a lighter version of the same mid-tone palette. Tonal colorways feel most cohesive as a set. The second type is the contrast colorway. This maintains the contrast relationships of the original, but shifts the temperature family entirely. If the original is warm, as you see here on the left, the contrast colorway is cool. If the original uses a light ground, the contrast colorway might use a dark ground. Contrast colorways expand your category reach by making the same design feel appropriate for different contexts. The third type is the seasonal colorway. This is a version of the design calibrated for a specific season, lighter and fresher for spring, richer and deeper for autumn. Seasonal colorways give buyers a way to use the same print across multiple buying cycles. The practical answer is 3, an original and 2 colorways. An original with 2 strong colorways gives buyers a meaningful choice without overwhelming them. For prints you are pitching to multiple categories or multiple buyers, a fourth colorway, typically a dark ground version if your original is on a light ground, can significantly increase the range of conversations that you can have. More than 4 colorways of a single print is usually not necessary unless a buyer has specifically requested them or you are developing an extensive collection around one hero print. The risk with colorway development is that the colorways drift away from your signature. A warm signature designer who develops a cool colorway that goes too far can end up with something that does not belong to their body of work. The way to prevent this is to apply your color system principles to every colorway. Temperature signature adjusted, but not abandoned. Saturation range consistent with your master palette. Neutral layer is present. Ground color is chosen from your ground range. A colorway that follows your color system principles will feel like yours even when it is in a different temperature. Always present colorways together rather than as separate designs. Show the set. The visual coherence of a well-developed colorway set is itself a sales tool. It demonstrates that you understand how a product line works and that you can deliver commercially ready options, not just a single design. The Colorway Planning Grid in this episode's download gives you a structured framework for planning colorway development across your collection. It includes space for the original, 3 colorway slots, category intent notes, and season intent notes. The download link is below. Our final and 12th episode is next, the Portfolio Color Audit, the full framework for evaluating your body of work against everything we have covered in this series and identifying exactly where to focus next. Please do not miss it. I'll see you there. Take care.